focus on fashion. Pretty girl, you let go. Got time, but you got goals. Hey baby, waste your time with me in California. Hey baby, waste your time with me in California. La 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 la, yeah, I'm that 1 La 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 la.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see by the title, I'll be showing you guys how I do my meal preps. So if you're interested in that, please keep on watching. And before we start, please be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video. Also comment down below any video suggestions that you'd like to see on my channel. Let's get into the video. Alright, so for today we're going to be making a vegetable stir fry. So to start, I have all my vegetables here. I have some sweet bell peppers, some Brussels sprouts, mushrooms, and I also have some zucchini, asparagus, and broccoli. And I have my chicken, which is already pre-seasoned, and brown rice. So that's what I'll be making, and make sure to wash all of your vegetables before you start prepping and cutting everything. So I'll be showing you guys just what I do to prep the meals and then how I plate my meals. To begin, I'm just gonna be slicing up everything from the zucchinis, mushroom, asparagus, and the peppers. So I'll just be slicing everything and putting them to the side, and once that's done, I'm gonna be prepping my rice. For the rice, I just have about 3 cups of water with some olive oil, a pinch of salt, and I also have a thyme leaf in there just boiling. And then once that comes to a boil, I'll put in my washed brown rice in there and let it cook. Okay, so to start prepping my vegetables, I just have a hot pan and I drizzled some olive oil in there, also with some minced garlic. So I will let the garlic simmer in there for a little bit when it gets to a color that I like. And once that's finished, I'll also be spraying some olive oil onto my grill to prepare for my chicken. And once the grill is hot enough, I'll put in the chicken. And right now I'm just adding the zucchini and just letting it cook for a little bit. And while I'm doing the zucchini, I'm also putting on my chicken on the grill. And I'm grilling the chicken because I want the grill marks on the chicken, but you don't have to grill your chicken if you're doing this recipe, or if you're gonna do what I'm doing, you don't have to grill your chicken. You can bake it if you want to. And don't worry, I wash my hands, okay? So what I'm doing now, I'm checking on my vegetables and the rice, making sure everything is going, you know, how it's supposed to go. So the zucchini looks like it's all cooked, you know, everything doesn't have to be mushy because it's, you know, you want to have some crunch in your vegetables still. So it looks about right. So I put a hole in the middle. I'm gonna add in the rest of the veggies and just have it cook for a little bit. And then once the veggies are cooked, I'm gonna cut the chicken and add it into there. And I won't be showing you guys that part, but all you have to do is just slice your chicken and put it into the vegetable mix. And I ended up not adding in the broccoli because I just thought that would be too much food, or so I just put that to the side. I'll do something else with it. So once everything is prepped, the veggies are good and the rice is good, I'm gonna start plating everything. So if you don't eat rice or you don't like rice, you can add this with anything you'd like, you know, potatoes, whatever, or you can eat it on its own. So I'm just putting a cup of rice in each of my bowls, and I'll be putting 2 scoops of the veggies in each. So this is what everything looks like. So I'm just gonna put them to the side, have it cool down before I close them and put them in the fridge. Okay, now so I'm gonna be prepping my juice. You can do this as a smoothie by prepping everything. Like, okay, you can freeze the pineapples overnight so it'll have a thicker consistency. But I have pineapples, kale, and ginger. And you can also add a banana and you can freeze the banana overnight for a thicker consistency. Okay, so I'm peeling the ginger and I'll be cutting up everything and putting it into a blender. I don't have a juicer, so if you have a juicer, this will be so much easier than to blend it. So I'm just washing my kale and putting everything into a blender and blending it, and then once that's done, I'm gonna put it into my juice containers. So after tasting it, it tasted like green. It tasted like grass. So in my case, I added some raw honey in there, but if you want, you can add in some more fruits. Okay, so as you can see, I have my lunch and or dinner prepped for the next 3 days, and I also have my juices prepped for the next 3 days. Now I'm gonna prep my breakfast or snack because I'm gonna be making the overnight oats. So all you need for this is a milk of your choice, granola or oatmeal, and also peanut butter. And yeah, that's about it. You also need cinnamon and a fruit of your choice. In my case, I'm using a banana. Okay, so once you add in your granola, your peanut butter, and cinnamon, you want to shake it all up. And then once you open it back up, you can put in your fruits. And you just put it in the fridge overnight or for an hour or however long you want. But yeah, you can put it in the fridge overnight and then it'll be like mushy in the morning. So if that's not what you like, you can put the dry ingredients away, and then when you're ready to eat the oats, you can then put in the milk. And of course, before you shake it, you're gonna put in the milk first and then shake it. So once you open it back up, you can cut up your fruits, or I said that already, but just cut up the banana and put it in there and store it in the fridge. I didn't do this for my meal prep because I was only prepping for like 3 or 4 days. So what you can do, you can also boil some eggs, put them in a Ziploc bag and store those as a quick snack. If you're heading out the door, you just grab a Ziploc bag with your eggs and you can eat that on the go. And with the overnight oats, I wouldn't prep them for more than 3 days, because if you're putting in the fruits in there, especially with banana, you know, it'll turn brown. So I would also, if you want to do that, you can leave the banana out of it and then put it in there when you're ready to eat it. But I would only do this for 3 days because you don't want to eat it when it gets too old, you know. Okay guys, all of my meals are prepped. So I have my lunch for the next 3 days, or dinner, and I also have my juices prepped and my snack or breakfast prepped for the next 3 days. If you guys are interested in more videos like this, please be sure to go ahead and hit that like button to let me know, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.